Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 3 to 9, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And of course, meron din tayong TikTok. So, kung meron kayong TikTok, follow nyo rin ako sa TikTok. Mr. Queen PH. Okay, Capricorn, mukhang you are building something. Pwedeng you are building a business or you are building a career. You are building a relationship. Kumbaga nasimulan mo na siya. Oo, for some of you, nasimulan nyo na. And maaring iba, parang somehow you feel like parang ang bagal ng progress, no? At least nasimulan mo na. 'Di ba? Hindi mo na lang siya yung iniisip. Nagsisimula na. Pwedeng itong opportunity na to ay related sa online selling or pwedeng related sa internet or sa business, no? Kasi you are building, I feel like you are building a business. You gusto mong magkaroon ng stable income. Magtuloy-tuloy yung stable income for you. This is also building your reputation. So, pwedeng meron kang social media presence or there is a certain following sa social media. Meron kang platform. Okay? So, pwedeng you are content creator. Some of you naman, it's like parang nandun yung iyong eagerness na ma-recognize sa career, ma-recognize sa business mo. Your overall energy is the magician. So this is stepping into your own power, stepping into your own abilities. So maaring meron kang discovery about kung ano yung mga bagay na kaya mong gawin, mga talento mo, mga skill set mo. This is also your manifestation skills. So maybe you are manifesting something. Tingnan natin ano mina-manifest. Uy, sa sarili mo to. This is about self-improvement. Okay? With your challenge, this is judgment. So, ang isa sa challenge sa'yo is kung paano mo babaguhin yung situation mo ngayon, especially kung hindi mo gusto yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. Whether situation mo sa finances, situation mo sa career mo, sa business mo, or yung relationship mo. So, ngayon, challenge ka kung paano mo i-let go yung mga no longer serving you at hahayaan na magstay sa'yo yung mga bagay na alam mong makakatulong pa sa journey mo. And then, your opportunity is the 10 of Swords. You have the opportunity to finally let go of the things na nakakapagpa-stress sa'yo. So, kung yung iba, you want to end a relationship with someone. This can be romantic. Pwedeng romantic ha. Pwedeng friendship. Pwedeng any connection with someone. Kasi parang iba sa inyo na puno na kayo. No? Yung parang nandun na kayo sa point na hindi na bearable. Parang hindi na practical to continue with the connection. O this can be a trabaho, no, na may opportunity ka to let go of the work or career path na it doesn't align yung iyong pangarap. And you have the Empress as your blessing. So maganda to, no? If you are wanting to have a baby or within the family, may blessing of baby kasi Empress is about conceiving and giving birth. Okay? Maaari ring mag-apply to sa yung productivity. So, you will be blessed with energy of productivity. Marami kang ma-accomplish. Oo, itong week na to. This is also harvest season for you. So, ipagpatuloy mo lang no, kung ano yung tinatrabaho mo, whatever you are building, continue that. Kasi sa una, hindi mo pa makikita talaga yung structure na maayos or buo kasi nandun ka pa lang sa building stage, 'di ba? But after noon, kung tuloy-tuloy yung efforts mo, yung actions mo, then definitely you will see results. So yung money, career, finances o self-made yung iba sa inyo, this is about starting from scratch. Na talagang pinaghirapan, pinagpaguran mo. With the Emperor here, this is about stability ng yung finances. This rin to may kasamang disiplina to, no? Hindi ito yung tipong sinuwerte ka lang, no? This is about yung discipline mo, yung structure, yung pagpaplano na binibigay mo, ginagawa mo para sa career, trabaho mo, para sa mga goals mo. Yun yung magpapaangat sa'yo. Yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng success. Temperance. This is patience. So you are being asked na maging patient ka sa paghihintay nung success or para mabuo mo yung achievement mo, maabot mo yung achievement mo. Hindi mo kailangan maghintay. Hindi mo kailangan madali, ano ba? Okay, and then sa relationship naman, you have the Hangman and the wedding. So maaring yung iba sa inyo nandun kayo sa process of getting into a serious commitment or relationship, pero kung hindi ka sigurado sa person na to, hindi mo naman kailangang madaliin or ipilit, okay? Kasi pwedeng hindi pa ito para sa'yo, or maaring kung hindi ka pa sigurado, 'di ba, mahirap i-pursue. Some of you, maaring you are connecting with a person na married na, so maging maingat sa ganyan. You have the 7 of Swords. Capricorn, maaring you are connecting with someone na hindi nyo alam may asawa na pala, o kaya medyo alanganin itong connection na to, so be careful ha, kasi meron ditong mga hindi pa ninyo alam, mga itinatago sa inyo ng person nyo, or mga bagay na kailangan nyong malaman para makapag-desisyon kayo ng tama. And then some of you, meron kayong mga bright ideas. Pwede tong ideas for your business, for your career, for your job, for your project. Forgive. Ayan, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong patatawarin. Maaring patatawarin nyo yung sarili nyo sa mga bad decisions nyo in the past, or yung person na nagbigay sa inyo ng sama ng loob. Make the change. Oh my God. Capricorn, gawin mo na daw yung pagbabago na yan. Whether this is physical change or behavioral change or change ng iyong perspective sa buhay na magiging in alignment of your goals or yung resulta na gusto mo for your success. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.